Boost your signal and stay connected wherever you go. The Best Cell Reception Booster strengthens weak signals, reduces dropped calls, and improves data speeds, ensuring reliable coverage at home, in the office, or on the road for uninterrupted communication. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Phonetone Cell Reception Booster. The Phonetone Cell Reception Booster is an excellent option for those struggling with weak indoor signals, especially if you rely on Verizon or AT&T networks. Designed with 5G readiness, it supports 4G LTE and 5G bands 12, 13, and 17, which are the most commonly deployed by major carriers through dynamic spectrum sharing. This ensures users get a future-proof solution as carriers continue expanding their 5G coverage. One of the standout features is its automatic gain control, AGC, which intelligently adjusts to the available signal strength to optimize performance. This makes the device more reliable and user-friendly, since you don't need to fine-tune settings yourself. The LED indicators also provide quick feedback on the booster's working condition, so you can always ensure it's functioning properly. Another strong advantage is the inclusion of a high-gain directional antenna, which allows precise alignment with the nearest cell tower for maximum coverage. With an indoor coverage capacity of up to 4,500 square feet, the Phonetone booster is suitable for large homes, cottages, cabins, or even office spaces. It enhances both data speeds and voice quality, allowing for smoother streaming, faster downloads, and clearer calls without the frustration of dropped connections. Multiple devices can be supported simultaneously, making it family and business-friendly. Installation is designed for do-it-yourself users, so you won't need a professional to set it up. Number 2. weBoost Cell Reception Booster. The weBoost Cell Reception Booster, particularly the Drive Reach Overland model, is built with adventure seekers and on-the-go users in mind. Designed for vehicles and outdoor travel, it comes equipped with a rugged outdoor antenna, a strong booster unit, and a versatile mounting bracket that makes it easy to install in different setups. Its compatibility with all major U.S. carriers, including Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, and U.S. Cellular, means you won't have to worry about switching providers or dealing with limited coverage. This model also supports the latest 5G technology, ensuring fast and reliable data speeds wherever you travel. With FCC approval and a 50 dB maximum gain, the booster is capable of significantly improving both voice and data performance in areas where signal strength is low. Travelers will especially appreciate its ability to provide steady connections in remote or rural locations where cell service often struggles. The rugged construction ensures durability, making it a great choice for overlanding, RV trips, or extended road travel. Unlike some home-based boosters, this model is focused on mobile coverage, allowing you to stay connected while moving. While installation is relatively straightforward, the included mounting bracket makes it flexible enough for different vehicle setups, whether you're attaching it to a car, SUV, or truck. Number 3. Amazboost Cell Reception Booster. The Amazboost Cell Reception Booster offers a versatile solution for improving weak cell signals in small homes, offices, or single rooms. Supporting all major U.S. carriers like Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, and U.S. Cellular, it works across multiple frequency bands, including 1217, 13, 5, 4, and 25. This makes it compatible with 3G, 4G LTE, and even 5G networks, provided that 5G service is available in your area through existing 4G bands. With a maximum coverage area of 2,500 square feet, the booster significantly reduces dropped calls, improves voice clarity, and accelerates data speeds. However, the actual coverage you get depends heavily on outdoor signal strength. Users with only 1 or 2 bars may see a much smaller effective range. This makes it especially important to test your signal outside before purchase. The unit requires roof installation for its outdoor antenna, and cables must be routed through walls, which can take up to 2 hours to complete. Despite the setup effort, the payoff is well worth it, especially if your home has inconsistent coverage indoors. Another important consideration is the presence of tall trees around your property. The antenna may need to be raised to at least 60 to 80% of tree height to function effectively. While this booster isn't suited for apartments, trucks, or RVs, it shines in small residential settings where you need stable connections for multiple devices. Number 4. ZORIDA Cell Reception Booster. The ZORIDA Cell Reception Booster is an affordable and practical solution for individuals living in areas with weak but present cell signals. Offering a maximum gain of 72 dB, this booster helps reduce dropped calls, improve call clarity, and provide faster data speeds. It is compatible with all U.S. carriers, including Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, and U.S. Cellular, and supports bands 12, 17, 13, 5, 4, and 225. Like other modern boosters, it is also 5G ready, ensuring that as carriers expand their 5G coverage on existing 4G frequency bands, you'll be able to take advantage of faster speeds. With a coverage capacity of up to 2,000 square feet, the ZORIDA booster is ideal for small homes, single rooms, or studio spaces. It's not meant for very large properties, but it works well for apartments, cabins, or smaller offices where reliable connections are critical. One advantage of this unit is that it does not require registration with carriers, making it easier for users to set up and use immediately. While coverage will still depend on outdoor signal strength, the device's higher gain helps ensure better performance in areas with 1 to 2 bars of service outside. The booster is also power efficient, helping extend phone battery life by reducing the effort devices use to connect to weak signals. With no hidden fees or subscriptions, it's a budget-friendly option that provides effective results. Number 5. HiBoost Cell Reception Booster. The HiBoost Cell Reception Booster, specifically the 3K Hero model, is a premium signal improvement device designed to deliver reliable connectivity across spaces up to 3,000 square feet. With a maximum gain of 65 dB, it effectively reduces dropped calls, enhances voice quality, and boosts internet speeds. It is compatible with all major U.S. carriers and supports 5G through dynamic spectrum sharing in 4G bands 12, 13, 17, 5, 2/25, and 4. Built with advanced chipsets for strong signal amplification, the HiBoost ensures durability and consistent performance. What sets this booster apart is its inclusion of 2 indoor antenna options, a panel antenna for extended coverage in larger spaces, and a compact whip antenna for mobile or on-the-go use. This flexibility allows users to tailor the setup to their needs. Another unique feature is the HiBoost app, which provides step-by-step installation guidance, live tech support, and monitoring tools to optimize signal performance. For many users, this makes setup easier and ensures the outdoor antenna is correctly positioned for maximum efficiency. With coverage suitable for homes, offices, farms, warehouses, and even metal buildings, the HiBoost Hero offers versatility across different environments. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.